Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Jasmy is making a huge splash, but we haven't discussed this coin in a while. Increasing by more than 30% in the past day alone, and by more than 20% in the past week overall. What's happening? Does Jasmy have any more height to go? I thought this was the first step. Here it is, along with the possibility of yet another 50% surge. So I won't linger too long, but look at Jasmy, the second most active coin today. It's totally moving, with a market cap of $1.5 billion, tremendous volume flowing in, and a price of just over 3 cents. What the fuck? Has Jasmy suddenly woken up? At the 2 and 3 level, we were discussing this on my live stream. Be cautious, Jasmy is getting ready to strike. And you know what? That is precisely what we accomplished for the past 20 hours. This is not the end, in my opinion. Indeed, I believe that additional benefits lie ahead. There have been some intriguing things happening at Jasmy, and I'm going to explain it all to you. First, I want to touch back on Hara, who has obviously been the CFO there. I have a few topics to discuss with you, but it has been a while since we last did this on video. Users are granted complete control over their data through Exchange.io's integration with Jasmy, which brings the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain technology. This is just one more significant exchange. However, the most significant of these is the enormous shift in artificial intelligence, AI, and AI agents in particular. Many anticipate that this will be a major storyline in 2025 and beyond, when widespread, and most importantly, cryptographic use of AI becomes the norm. We have spent the better part of a year discussing Junction, and the reasons why this is going to rock the boat. The Ethereum blockchain, keep in mind, is likely to make a splash. So, you know what? In order to improve the AI agents of the future, Junction will be using graphics processing units, and launching a platform. This is significant. Junction is a permissionless chain that uses GPUs to power the next generation of AI agents. It is the foundation of decentralized AI. A new age for AI-driven applications and decentralized ecosystems is unlocked by Junction, which combines trustless infrastructure with high-performance computing. This is significant, and I've already mentioned how Junction will be a major storyline in artificial intelligence, and more crucially, data democratization. The whole Jasmy thing is a major deal. They are ensuring that it is decentralized, scalable, and inexpensive, and they are also incorporating GPUs and going deep into the framework. This will have far-reaching consequences. This is something I've been discussing on my live stream for a while now, as I mentioned a few months ago. Prepare yourselves, because this story is going to take off once we learn more about it. I predict it will have enormous upside potential. Looking at the current $7.5 billion, almost $1 billion, trading volume in the area of AI agents, should give you a good idea. Not even the AI storyline fits here. These are the AI agents making them. Companies like AX and BT are major participants. That, along with Virtual's protocol and their impending dominance in this bull run, was covered in one of my TikTok movies. I believe this is going to be a huge event, and Jackson is definitely delivering on it. This is going to produce greater results. Remember that these major agreements are already in line with Jasmy, which is a huge deal. That's why people are anticipating Jasmy to have an additional 50% upside potential. Is it possible that Jasmy could undergo a retest in the near future for 5, 6, or even 10 cents? Still, with open interest on Jasmy reaching a new all-time high of over $53 million, the largest level since January, the situation is far from ideal. 2015 is quickly becoming the most anticipated year. On top of that, there are abundant signs that Jasmy currency tokens are fleeing exchanges. The fact that holders are removing it from their exchange makes this a crucial development. Their focus is on the future. With around 90,000 Jasmy holders at the moment, this is a major event. Actually, there were 16.5 billion Jasmy available for trade, a decrease of 1% from the previous week. This is significant. What becomes intriguing is beneath the chart. That 588 retest from November of last year, when all the excitement was here, may be visible. The 618 level is a potential support level, and the Fibonacci retest at 150 is an important area to watch. From where we are now on Jasmy, this may see a roughly tenfold increase as we continue to push up to that point. There are a lot of folks who are quite enthusiastic about this falling wedge pattern. Now that Jasmy has broken out, keep an eye out, because this is clearly a collapsing wedge. Because of this, we may be able to begin to climb much higher. Look at that 618, Fibonacci number 236 looming on the horizon. Returning to November, here we go. 618, keep an eye on the 236. At 36, the next target is 382, a breakout above that, and more significantly, a breakout above the trend line turning green, would be extremely bullish.